Audrey, say hi. Okay, say hi.
Ano daw?
Austin, say hi. Parating nga sila. Ano maging tama itong ginagawa natin ito. Yan yung tropa.
Tcharan! Mga naghihintay kung kailan darating ang celebrant. Ha? Diyan na.
Hey, all good?
Hi! Hi, Mita! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Make a wish. Yay!
Happy birthday, Ta! The day is all yours. Enjoy your special day. Hintayin mo lang yung gift ko.
Happy birthday, Ruby.
Birthday, Ruby! More birthdays to come. Love you, Sampir.
Happy birthday, Tita Ruby. More blessings to come po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ruby!
Enjoy!
Hi, Tita Ruby. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ruby! God bless!
Hi Ruby, happy birthday, wishing you all the best. Have fun. Bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tabina. More wines and vodka to come. More steak. Charing. And burnt cheesecake and OOTDs in the coming years. Happy 18th birthday! Happy birthday to us.
Hi, Ninang Ruby. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi dyan. God bless.